Family, so this video is really a short one. It's just really me showing you a house tour of a house that my uncle bought. The price is like 14 mil, but he's making improvement on it, so it's going to be a bit more. So with that said, just smash like button for YouTube algorithm, and let me jump right into it. So we can't go in those card people them rent it outside it though. You me talk to. Yeah, but so basically, as I was saying, this, like me personally, this house in and out itself is small, cause mm, in and out itself is like a very small unit personally, you see me? But the one thing about government, they actually give you space, so we can go in the room. Maybe some next video we can actually go in and like do the whole story. But is enough space to get there? Is enough space now? Yeah. So it can be like a whole other house. And yeah, but regardless, so this is gonna be, it's a very big space to get. Exactly. So what right here is going to be? Right here, sir. One person afternoon. What right here, sir, going to be? What right here, sir, would be? A bedroom. Okay. Bathroom. Look rugged though, but there's enough space left, man. Him can put like 2 houses around here. Yeah. Yeah? And so right here, so me walk guys where? This is like a second room? Okay. So, but enough things are going. And then in the day, you still have a whole section around here, so where basically enough some perhaps him can go in a box. So this would be a room. Here so I assume would be another bathroom. So far we're gone 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom. Right here so it would be. So you're going to lay down the wall here? Now lay down the wall here? Okay. Understandable. Okay, I'm just saying I'm gonna rent out. No, them can two of them out here. The one can go so. Here's going to be one. Them see the door this can go. Yes, I wash them. Kitchen and dining. Yes, so same set of people are coming here so. No, this one. Yeah, no, we go to the party. Emma, you want to be a two separate entity? But you did say what I'm gonna do was like make this house right here so like a Airbnb and then in a probably rental room at the back here so like cause this place can basically like anybody can do this and then whomsoever I rent can just walk come around or whatever. So no, they're not done black, them just make it. Oh brother about the sun hot. Yeah. See him there working at the sun. Yeah, I'm not working at night, you know. Why? Sleeping at day, I working at night. The sun not gonna talk to you too much. No.
It's American friends.
Impossible. So if me I build my house, me can come shout here. Always good, not far from there, no 1 year or 2 year time. Yeah, not far from me, is it? As me I say, enough space. So where them no buy, you get the equipment them or you have to buy your own equipment? Oh. But all in all, him still have enough space left, you know? Enough space left. This is outside. So it's a gated community. As you see, we are inside. But, yeah. Where is it?